Hello and welcome to the Norwich Amiga group meet. This is One Life Left. Here we hold our meetings, so let's see what's happening inside. Not that many people here yet. But this is John, he's our sponsor here at Norwich Amiga Group. He's just going to say a few words about what he does here and that sort of thing.
Hello, welcome. You join me at one of the Norwich Amiga Group meets. I am John. If you don't know who I am, I'm the owner here at One Life Left, aka OLL. We are a video games themed cafe and bar and gaming venue space. And so every month we give our venue over to the Norwich Amiga Group and some other gaming communities based in Norwich as well, for everyone to get together basically, and then we make our money selling food and drinks. So it's a pretty good deal that we've got here with everyone, and we thoroughly enjoy seeing everyone that's here. We do all sorts of gaming events, so I'll get some plugs in now while I can. We've got a Mario Kart tournament on the 5th of August. I don't know when this is going out. We do fight nights every Monday. If you like your fighting games, if you like your retro stuff, we do a retro night every Friday night. We're a bar in the evenings. We sell gaming themed cocktails. And yeah, every Friday night you can come along till 10 o'clock and play some retro games. Or indeed, come along to any of our community meets, including the Norwich Amiga Group events.
Okay.
There we go.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, John.
See you soon.
Yeah. Bye.
It's not that memory, it's a sim something.
Yeah, and it looks really nice. I've got
Still fine. I think the Sims, is that?
the worst one.
Oh right, yeah, it is. I was thinking of the 5. It is a 5.
Yeah, so I've got some selections to do as well.
Show him the sysinfo. Show him the
memory that failed. I don't have any fast memory, so it's not that. Yeah. I was looking at those Sims.
This is a black checkmate. Yeah.
show him the eyes as well.
Diamonds.
Don't choke very well on video.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, 1200, I'll struggle to get one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not the Amiga.
No, it's not.
Not bad. This is actually
Oh no.
We've got two